Brand new 2026 Audi SQ6 e-tron, so it's the fully electric vehicle protected with a StarLine M66 tracker and immobiliser. So we have an app, we can see the vehicle's armed and protected with the bubble around it. We also have tracking over here, so we can see where the vehicle is, but that will reveal its location, so we're not going to do that. But you can see where it's been, where it is currently, you can track it and so on. So here we have vehicle battery health, signal strength, we can see that it's armed. We have a tag for this system. The battery's out of it at the minute. If someone tried to steal this, they got the key, went to steal it, they're going to get the vehicle started, but it's going to be unable to select a gear. It's just locked into park and the vehicle's going nowhere. Our app immediately updates to tell us it's under attack, and we also get a call from it to confirm that someone is in fact trying to steal our vehicle. If we answer and end that, the vehicle's still going nowhere, but it gives us time to react if we're not around. It keeps calling while that system's active, but how we disarm it, we just have a tag, pop the battery in it. The call's going to end pretty much straight away once it sees the tag, and it's going to allow us to select our gear and drive off. When we turn the vehicle off, this is a self-activating system, so as soon as the tag goes out of range, the ignition's switched off. It takes about 10 seconds, but you'll see it update in the app. You'll see the vehicle's got a bubble around it and it's protected again, searching for that tag before you're going to be able to drive it. So now it's active. You obviously don't need the app open, that's just to demonstrate. We start the car, try and select a gear, it's going nowhere. We're unable to drive it because we don't have the tag present. We get a phone call, so we know someone's trying to steal it. If we pop the battery in the tag, it will see the tag, end the call, and allow us to select our gear. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is StarLine M66 tag-based tracker and immobiliser, where you just have the tag in your pocket, get in the vehicle, start it, select a gear and drive off. Really simple system to use. You don't get any calls, but if someone tries to attack it, you get a call, the vehicle's locked in park and it's going nowhere. Our number's 0208 212 7393. You can either visit our website to book your installation or give us a call on 0208 212 7393 to secure your vehicle.